Hello lovely folks, it's me, Becky, back with a look back at a day out we had whilst on a caravanning trip. Like the last episode, we were staying at Longleat Caravan and Motorhome Club site. In fact, we were at Torafest. It was May 2019 and my lovely friend Claire, who I haven't seen for absolutely ages, met us at the site. And incidentally, thanks to the club for always being sensible about visitor parking. And at this point in the video, I'm driving us all down to Montecute House, which is another National Trust property. And apart from the flowers and the architecture and so on, they had a rather special event on this day, but more of that later on. So like the last video, this is a little look back at what we got up to, with hopefully some nice relaxing music to take you way back to the late spring, early summer of 2019. So enjoy. And here we are. Can you guess what the rather special event is? Yep, modelling. And not just any old modelling. Modelling with one of the members of the Ardman staff. So let's see how we get on. the picture? And what a great workshop that was. I was absolutely amazed at how accurate all the models looked. It was great. So after quite a while of sitting down, a bit more of a wander around to blow off some steam, and then to the tea shop, of course.
I'm getting behind you.
And a tea stop, and the obligatory wee stop, and then we're back on our way back to site. So thanks so much for joining us. Really hope you enjoyed that little overview. And all that remains to say is bye for now. See you in the next one.